Hello everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets for Thursday the 3rd of July. Non-farm payrolls Thursday today. I'm going to move on to euro dollar, and the euro that has been in this recovery phase over the past few weeks is now corrected back to an uptrend. I'll show you quickly on the intraday chart. You've seen this move back towards this uptrend that is now still holding, and it's also the interesting point to note is that I've been talking about this support band between 36.40 and 36.70, and it hit pretty much bang on the low of that support band yesterday after that ADP report, ADP employment report, which came out. We hit pretty much 136.40 on the nose, and then started to find support again. So the bulls are still holding on to this outlook of improvement for the euro. And that is, I think, an interesting point to note in front of non-farm payrolls. You do have these momentum indicators that have just, in the last couple of days, just tailed off slightly. But the stochastics in positive configuration, although you do now have a crossover which may start to put a bit of pressure on the euro going forward. So I think that's one to watch. But certainly the RSI, which has been the highest in almost 2 months in recent days, that's just still above 50, which is a relatively positive outlook. And also these moving averages, certainly the 21-day, which is turning higher and providing a little bit of support, having been resistance, providing support. So that's interesting there. That comes in at 36.08. Back on the intraday chart, this, if I zoom out slightly, you'll see how this 35.80 support became resistance and now becomes support again. So that 35.80 is your key, I think, your key line that you need to be watching out for. If we see a breakdown of that on this non-farm payrolls report, then I think that would suggest that the euro's lost the impetus to the upside. So that is my ultimate support there for any sort of recovery outlook for this euro chart. But at the moment, as I said, we're holding on to this recovery uptrend, and also I think another line you could watch nearer term would be the 200-hour moving average, which, if I zoom in, has sort of been shadowing this recovery uptrend, and is coming in at 36.36, so around about that 36.40 mark. So again, if you start to lose that 36.40 and you also lose that 200-hour moving average, then I think that gives an indication that maybe it's under a bit of strain, and you're going to see a possible move back towards that 35.85 point. But at the moment, we're still holding on. The euro's bounced nicely in the early European trade, so I think the bulls are still hanging on quite positively to this outlook of a euro recovery. But we wait until non-farm payrolls, which could certainly have an impact on this chart. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.